Hello everybody, this is SashaMoniqueTalks. I'm here to tell you about the Straight Talk home base telephone that I got 7 years ago. Well, you guys, it finally gave out on me after 7 years. We had a storm about 2 weeks ago and it went out. Now before that, I'm going to show you, it started to peel. But you know what? I was going to make my own cover to this because it was working well. It was nothing wrong with it. And so 7 years, I started paying from the beginning, maybe, I think with the tax it came to $16.30. So now this year is 17, I think it's $17.20 or $17.30. And I'm here to tell you that I saved so much money with this phone. I have no regrets at all. And so you see it's looking ugly and everything. And like I said, it went out 2 weeks ago, but if it hadn't gone out, I would still be using it. $17, $20, or $30 is way better than $60, $70, $80 for a home phone. Before that, I had Comcast, and I was paying a lot of money because every year was going up. And so this was the perfect solution, y'all. I don't get paid for saying, as you see, it's well worn, right? Try this. Try this. It's perfect for anyone who wants to save money. It's perfect for seniors where they still want a home phone, but they don't want to pay that much. I have a cell phone, but I like having a home phone. Look, to last for 7 years, and I paid $49.99 for this. And so I may have to replace the base, like maybe every 7 years or 8 years or whatever, but it's well worth it. So make sure that you get this and save yourself some money. Don't give those cable companies and stuff all your money. We have so much more to do with our money than to waste it on, phone, and you're getting the same kind of service. And the good thing about this, you don't need internet for this. A lot of the other services, they are good, but you need the internet with it. So this is just an update about this. I put my order in for another one. Thank you for watching.